Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Hanan and you are watching GD Hanan. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how to create a product mockup design of a bottle, a can or a design of potato chips or lace etc. Now we are creating potato chips mockup design. Okay, I will open Adobe Photoshop and click on new file. For selecting canvas size of 800 width and 800 its height by selecting pixels because pixels play an important role in Adobe Photoshop. I will select white color background and create it. Okay guys, our canvas is ready. Now I will drag and drop a transparent back layer for product mockup design. Okay guys, you can see that our first layer is ready. Now I will make two copies of this layer by pressing Ctrl J command and hide these two layers. Okay guys, click on transparent back layer and now I will drag and drop potato chips mockup design. Okay guys, here you can see that. Now I will middle this design according to transparent back layer. I will less the opacity to 69. Okay, and align into the middle. Okay guys, click on poster design and press Ctrl plus T to transform. Okay, you can see that. Now press Shift command and little bit drag from right to left to align in the middle. Okay, and same procedure we will do from left to right, little bit drag. Now you can see that the word chips is in the middle. Okay guys, I will more the opacity to 100% and now I will mock up this design by clipping mask procedure. Okay guys, how we clip this mask? Here see. Okay guys, now I will mock up this potato chips poster design by clipping mask option. Okay, right click on this layer and create clipping mask option. Okay guys, you can see that our mockup design is ready. No wait, this is not looking realistic. I will make it realistic by click on option normal and select linear one. Okay guys, now it is looking much better and now I will press Ctrl plus L command for adjusting the levels of linear burn. Here you can see that this is looking much better. Okay, now guys, now I will select the layers which we have recently hide them. Okay, click on copy 1 and clip mask this layer by selecting create clipping mask option. Okay guys, now click on normal and select darken or multiple option. Now I will adjust the level of multiple option by clicking Ctrl plus L command and here it is looking much better. Okay, and same procedure we will do on next layer of transparent back copy 2 and clip mask this layer by create clipping mask option. Okay, now we will select darken option and press Ctrl plus L command for adjusting the level of darkness. Okay, here you can see this is looking much better. Now guys, our mock-up design of potato chips is ready and it is looking realistic enough. Okay guys, I hope you will learn many things from this amazing video. So guys, for now, take care. Bye bye. Allah.